Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. Start by opening settings and choosing sound and vibration. Over here you need to click on phone ringtone and vibrate, and then tap on this switcher next to also vibrate vocals. This way you can enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. Now go back, scroll all the way down and choose more sound settings. Then click on the switcher next to vibrate on touch to enable or disable touch vibrations. Finally, click on haptic feedback vibration duration over here and adjust it by swiping left or right. You can go back to default ones by choosing default or save your changes by tapping on OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!